This is Dr. Sharma, maxillofacial prosthodontist, implantologist from Colonel's Dental Spa, Bangalore, India. The most common restoration for protection of the teeth, especially the front teeth, where we can also improve aesthetics, is providing a full coverage crown. Now, laminates are a good alternative in certain cases where aesthetics has to be improved, especially in the front teeth. Laminates are particularly used for improving aesthetics for permanently discolored teeth, where cases where there is fluorosis or sometimes tetracycline staining, and also some kinds of decays where there are fillings, and also for closing small gaps between the front two teeth. Laminates are made of several materials, but the ones made in all ceramic are most popular and they are long lasting. The advantage of making a laminate are that they require minimum preparation or grinding of the tooth surface. The most of the time, root canals is not required, and fabrication of a laminate requires very special skills. Tooth preparation is a very technique sensitive procedure. Shade matching with the adjacent tooth is a challenge, and it is a skill which has to be mastered. At Colonel's Dental Spa, we have the knowledge, we have the skill, we have the experience of hundreds of successful laminate cases, providing excellent color match, good aesthetics, and restoring a perfect smile.